What is good, everyone? Welcome back into my channel. The crypto markets are a little bit boring at the moment, aren't they? I mean, we're in a great place. We've had the halving, but not much is happening. We're sort of just chilling sideways, and it's kind of just getting to the point where, come on, like, do something. I want to feel something. So the markets are very much in that kind of place right now, which I don't know if it's a good or bad thing. I'll probably say it's a good state of consolidation. But in this video, we're going to quickly explore a coin that I've seen trending called Wormhole with the token ticker symbol of literally just AW. And you can see here, looking at coin market cap, we don't really have a great deal of data over here. You can see just from early April, on the 3rd of April, this coin has been on CMC. And it was at $1.40, it's come down to 62 cents. But I just want to explore it because it is on Binance, it is on a few other big exchanges, and I want to see what the potential of this token could be. So Fear and Greed Index in the market right now is sitting at 70, and we can see overall the markets are valued in at around $2.37 trillion, which is still absolutely massive, by the way. Now this kind of reminds me, this particular launch reminds me of when Jupiter went live. You can see Jupiter went live on Binance, and it actually crashed like a good 40%, maybe just a little bit more than a 40%. It depends how high you kind of take this, this candle here. About 60% we could assume at worst. Then when you look at Worm, it's done pretty much the same thing. It's on a 75% correction at best, and overall I think that could lead to some sort of DCA opportunity depending on where this project wants to go. So we've identified there has been a 75% correction with this particular altcoin. Quite a bit of support is written in. It may have found its bottom, and if it has found the bottom, this could be a good ideal area to be looking into the project to see what might happen over the long term. Now it's all speculation. It's not financial advice at all. We don't know what the future entails, but just want to check out the project. So we can see here is the Wormhole Twitter, which I've had a little look at, and in a way, I do think it's interesting to see what could happen with this project. You can see Wormhole's W token is now natively multi-chain using the Wormhole Native Token Transfers NTT framework. Native W is now available in SPL format on Solana and ERC20 format on Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Build on Base. So that is very interesting. I've never seen a project like this one before. Basically, look, the leading interoperability platform powering multi-chain applications and bridges at scale. So it's like the web of Web 3 is how they are describing themselves. And you can see in the last few days, they're posting crazy amounts of things. Bitcoin is getting programmable economic layer, and Wormhole is your primary gateway to it. Building on Wormhole's multi-chain platform, Meso Network will have connectivity to 30 plus chains after going live with day one support, enabling secure and fast interoperability. So it's something that I am very much aware of. This is the website of Wormhole right here. It says the web of Web 3. Hundreds of companies and applications use Wormhole's blockchain's connectivity platform to securely and scalably grow their business and user base, increase market share, and drive more on-chain data activity. So you can see you've got some familiar logos here. You've got Optimism, you've got Solana, you've got Polygon, Ethereum, all those good kind of coins that we do know. And these are an example of some of those other coins. So this is a platform for blockchain developers. So this could be a massive thing. Of course, developers need these sort of platforms so they can grow and drive liquidity to ecosystems. And overall, this breaks down. Look at the ecosystem here. You've got DeFi, governance, you've got bridging, you've got NFTs, you've got natively cross-chain apps. So this is just something I thought I'd make a video on while the market is sort of cooling down, because I've never really seen it before. Explore multi-chain apps built on Wormhole platform. Looks pretty decent, doesn't it, guys? So yeah, I want to talk about it. We can see the Wormhole scan messages all time are over 1 billion, messages 24 hours at 174,000. If we look at the 1 week here and look at the 1 month on the transaction history, so you can see this has already been a live ecosystem for some time. It could last 365 days on this one. Let's see if it gives us any data. But you can see overall, you've got different bridges here as well. You've got Allbridge, CCPD, Portal on the protocol stats. And here you can go to the top 7 assets. You can see USDC is actually the top. USDT comes in just below. And I guess, this helps with all the value transferred. So I don't know what the total value locked is on this project, but it does look kind of cool. Multi-chain app is what it is, guys. So that is exactly what this particular one is. Now, looking at the price structure of this, Wormhole project, I would like to think that it somewhat has found a bottom after that massive sort of dump that we've seen here. And I would like to think that with all this sort of buyback that we're seeing on these kind of key areas of support at that 50 sort of cents region, getting quite a lot of buyback, I would like to think that that could be potentially the bottom. We've had a very big 4-hour candle since. Take our Fibonacci, you can see it corrects down to that 0.5 level. If we can consolidate at this particular level where we are trading right now, this could set us up for hopefully something very, very good, and maybe it could be seen as a bullish reversal pattern that'll take us up to around 0.68. If we do break that macro resistance, then we can of course look at even bigger and better potential figures for this. So do we go higher? Do we go lower? It's always a big dubious speculation, but according to the Fib, that 0.5 and that 0.618 is a realistic region to get back to. And I think when the markets do pick up again, that is what we could potentially be seeing for coins like Wormhole. Similar to Jupiter, look what Jupiter did. It corrected down quite a lot and it shook a lot of people out on launch. And then it's actually back up in a really healthy way. It's really looking strong since that bottom. It's up a good 2x. And you can see it was quite similar the way you had all these buyback support wicks. We're kind of seeing all those buyback support wicks on these lows here around that 50 cents region. Of course, dubious speculation. I don't know the future, but that's just something I'm thinking of right now. If you guys also want to explore tons of trading signals and enter my Discord channel, if you do need that extra hand holding, you want to make some more money in the crypto markets, please do consider becoming a patron. You can see my traders out here are making some huge gains. And overall, even with the market going a bit flat, people are still making some solid gains. We've got over 20,000 people in the Discord. If you want to get some, material to help guide you and enhance your crypto portfolio, my Patreon is just down below. You're going to get leverage signals, spot signals, early access to straight to DEX coins, as well as pre-sales and all that stuff. Crypto Legend is the one that most people go for. So if you do want to hopefully grow your crypto portfolio, the Patreon link is just down below. Do also sign up to MEXC while you're at it if you want to find an exchange that will help you suit those desires, whether it's trading, meme coins, spot, leverage, whatever it is. I love to use MEXC, and that's where I do all of my overall trading. Also guys, quick shout out to a new project called Wiener AI. This is an artificial intelligence meme coin that has recently just gone live. It could be one that does very, very well in the upcoming weeks or month. If you have been sticking around this channel, you watch Scotty the AI meme coin go absolutely parabolic. So hopefully we see Wiener.ai also do some really, really crazy things over the next few days and weeks. The link is down below. They've just raised $300,000. Not financial advice as well, guys. So thanks for watching this video on Wormhole. Let me know what you think of this project in the comments. Is it one that you're buying, looking at? Do you think it'll go up or down? I want to hear from your thoughts. See you soon. Stay crypto safe. Peace.